close. Yeah, real close. Told you he was hungry. What's he pulling on? His mouth? Sucking the life out of his ass.
It was a big one.
Suffocating him.
It was a big one, right?
His mouth barely open.
He's already dead, right? I wasn't even recording.
He's still killing it.
Look, he squeezed the out of him.
He's still moving.
He squeezed the shit out of him.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
I think he took the head in his mouth, don't he?
Yeah.
I think that's how they suffocate him like that too, I think. Hold on, yeah, let me do something. I want to see this part of it on my camera. He's going to slowly start to Look, he killed it now. Y'all don't move a whole lot. Wherever y'all are at, just stay. Because it'll distract him. Now he'll start to swallow it.
His teeth, I can see his teeth marks.
Yeah, he'll start to swallow it now in a minute.
When he gets out of it?
No, yeah, he's going to unravel and then he'll look at it for a minute. He'll circle it a couple times and then he'll figure out how he's going to swallow it.
Look at how that liquid comes out of his body.
Yeah, y'all just can't be moving. Y'all got to stay where y'all at. And he'll get distracted. And I don't know if he likes that light, but if you got it shining on him either. Mine does it good without the light. We'll still have it on tape, baby. He got him good, didn't he?
Yeah, fast.
Yeah, he don't play no more. But he's still holding on to him just to make sure, right?
Yeah.
The head's bigger on these though. I hope he eats it.
Probably might have just wanted to kill it.
Because sometimes they say they do that. Like, he might be too many of us around watching them, you know? gonna start to bite. But don't move, y'all. See, look, he's gonna start to look for somewhere to put it in. My internet works, look. And you should download Crackle.
Already got it.
Oh, well then shit, y'all got movies forever then.
You know what sucks though? It's like hard to get demos. Like you gotta have an ID and stuff.